Hello and welcome to another video. In today's video we're going to be doing a couple of jobs with our 1980 Bolens HT23. We've topped it up with fuel and we've checked it over, and to start with we're going to be cutting some grass. On our main grass, well, I should explain there's settings on this deck, 6 settings on here, and then 3 holes on here. For our main grass, we use the second hole on there and then the middle hole on here. But for our field, because the grass is usually quite a lot taller, we put it on the last setting on here and the middle setting on this one. But we're thinking, because it's grown quite a bit bigger this time, we're going to put this on the end setting to raise it up even more. Field. As you can see, we've let the grass grow pretty high. We've done a small amount already just to get the tractor in here, but we might not finish it all today because there's quite a lot to do, but we're definitely going to start doing it. well, a couple of hours later and it's finished. Some parts didn't cut quite as well as others because the wheels pushed the grass over. We'll probably go over it in a couple of weeks' time again. But now we need to go and get half the field off the tractor. You may have been wondering what I meant by half the field, and we scraped the worst of it off the deck while we were in there, but as you can see there's all of this grass seed still on there. And I have hay fever, so I'm going to try and do this without covering myself in it. I'm now going to carefully remove the air filter cover to see how much we've got under here. Lovely. Going to try to continue to clean the pre-filter the best we can and check over the air filter. The safest option might just be to replace both of them, especially for the next time that we're cutting the field. The HT23 did quite a good job today, but that's it for this video. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video and see our other videos. More to follow as we do more on this tractor. Bye!